Have you ever started yawning right after someone else did? Here's the creepy part. Your brain may have copied them before you even realized it. Scientists discovered that simply seeing a yawn can trigger the exact same pattern inside your own brain. Even reading about yawning can start it. And it gets stranger. You're more likely to catch a yawn from friends, family, or people you emotionally connect with, not strangers. Some researchers think contagious yawning is linked to empathy and mirror neurons, brain cells that imitate what other people do, almost like your brain is rehearsing their actions. Animals do it too. Chimpanzees, dogs, even lions. One yawn can spread through an entire group within seconds. So the next time someone yawns near you, your brain might already be copying them before you even notice.